Follow us on Instagram.
All my Brownstown vets, of course, this is another YouTube subscriber's home.
Brownstown.
Andre, Brown's Professional Carpet Care, you tune into the...
Much better. Andre, Brown's Professional Carpet Care, you're tuning into the vlog of the day. Of course, if you're new,
hit the subscribe button right now, hit the notification bell and all options inside the notification bell so you won't miss a video.
all my Brownstown vets and everybody who's going to love. And
do I got any boogers in my nose?
Man. So we're going to go in so you can see exactly what we have to do. And the carpets are in dire need of Brownstown. Our services, we're going in. Of course, we're starting with an empty canister, even though she was already vacuuming in there, guys. But I told her to stop mid-vacuum because we vacuum. Holy moly. So Brownstown, of course, we're going to go in, see what we got to do, guys. And I hope you guys are ready for this. Holy moly. Brownstown, I love you. And let's go in and see what we got to do.
Holy moly, Brownstown.
All right.
Holy moly. Holy moly. First area, well, one of the 3 bedrooms with a sitting area. We got some red stain removal, pet enzyme treatment for a couple of areas. Ready. I know I am. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Holy moly, Brownstown. Alright, some red stain removal here as well. Oh yeah. It's probably taking about 3 to 4 hours to do, guys.
Make sure it's not clogged.
All right. And it took about 20 to 30 minutes to vacuum this room, guys. You know, you only see a couple of minutes. It took about 30 minutes to vacuum this one room. Holy moly. Time to pull out the chemistry set. Holy moly, get ready to remove some of these specialty and artificial stains, but let me vacuum this room. So I tried different types of chemistry to remove this red paint or whatever it was. As you can see, the towel that I used, nothing transferred, guys. So I said, let me try one more thing, and I got it sitting there, and it's coming out without a problem. Holy moly. Now working on this adhesive, using a gel remover for that, letting it sit. And then I'm gonna work on this stain. Holy moly.
Seconds. All right, starting to work. All right, let's see what's happening. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, that's steaming up. Oh, yeah, starting to work, starting to work. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Holy moly. Look at all that cake back.
Right. Now we have finished the whole entire stain removal process with the steamer and the chemistry. Then we did the vacuum, of course. That's what came out. Of course, I'm going to enter that for you guys soon. And
All right, a couple of little spots that didn't come out, guys, but overall came out amazing and it smells great. Holy moly. All right, everything came out for the most part, guys. Still a few artificial stains. Oh yeah. Oh yes, 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 yes. Holy moly. All right. Came up minus that in the middle.
I told them beforehand some stains may come up, some may not. But you're definitely going to tell the difference once I'm finished. And it came out great, guys. Holy moly.
All right. All finished, Brownstown. Holy moly. I actually had to end cap the stairs. Stairs came out great. Bedrooms came out amazing. And I'm all finished. All finished.
Brownstown, we're all finished. He asked, hey, did you get some footage? Of course, this is blurry. Ah, it's a little blurry.
Job of the day is all finished. Was here about 4 hours, guys. Artificial stain removal process took about 2 hours of this, so that's what took the longest time. But
I did. CRB, holy moly, got a lot of kickback out of there, and also I forgot to empty the vacuum. But first thing first, let's empty out this CRB. Holy moly. See what I got out of this today. Oh. Holy moly. That's what came out of the CRB after the vacuum, after the cleaning agent and everything, guys. Look at that. Holy moly. And also, this is what came out of the carpets today. Holy moly. What? Holy moly, Brownstown. Ooh, now let's dump it out. But Brownstown, I love you so much. Thank you guys for tuning in today. If you're new, hit the subscribe button right now, hit the notification bell, watch inside the notification bell so you won't miss a video. All my Brownstown vets and everybody who loved this video today, the CRB, the artificial stain removal, the wallpaper steamer, the vacuuming. Holy moly, this was incredible. And of course, they are Brownstown vets, and I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you, and I'll see you soon to do the hardwood floors and the tile and grout. Holy moly, but Brownstown, let's dump it out.
ooh. Whoa. Okay, hold on. Okay. Whoa. Holy moly, Brownstown. Now that's what you call a vacuum. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you so much, guys. You gotta motivate yourself before anybody else can motivate you. You can't find motivation elsewhere until you motivate yourself. You can't love nobody until you love yourself first. I love you so much, as you know, from the bottom of my heart, always. Genuine and humble as I can. Oh, follow us on Instagram so you can see what we do each and every day. Brownstown, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.
But wait, chocolate milk. Holy moly.
Crazy, it's gonna shoot out. Yep, I knew it. Oh! Ooh, that stinks. Holy moly. Holy moly, guys.
Brownstown. Woo-wee. See you in the next vlog.